Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Well, today we're going to discuss on the program a new payment system launched by the NCB Bank of Jamaica, known as the Link app, in which you can transfer payments from one party to a next using your mobile phone. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk. With the development of technology and the advancement of payment services around the world, Jamaica has launched a new payment service that will be locally and might be internationally recognized in the coming weeks. Links is a new digital wallet that has entered the Jamaican financial technology space. The platform has been designed to bring a faster, safer, and easier way to send and receive money using your mobile smartphone. It is being launched by a new fintech company in the NCB Financial Services Group, and this is a very good look for Jamaica right now. So many people have signed on to this already and so far is using the service, and I know that this will be a good advancement as it relates to digital technology and how Jamaica use this in order to send and receive payments. While Links was inspired by leading international payment solutions such as Cash App and Zelle, it was built by a larger Jamaican team and tailored for Jamaicans to solve the multi-customer pain points under the three pillars: security, speed, and accessibility. As an added bonus, the app is offering $250 for each person, a registered Links user who refers to the platform another individual, and they are also offering 500,000 for invites who install the app, which seems to have resonated with the Jamaicans so far, as a number of people have so far signed on. Well, setting up the app itself is quite easy and it's also easy to use as its interface is quite simple. So first thing you need to do, you need to download the app itself either from the Google Play Store or also the Apple Play Store depending on the device that you're using. Next step you need to do, which is step 2, verify your identity with your driver's license, passport, or your national ID. Step 3 is to connect your bank and deposit your money into your Links account. Next step as well, which is the final step, step 4, you can also send and receive money with the Links app. So that is basically the setting up process of the Links app. Fairly simple for users to use and also to send and receive money. Let's move on into other details about the app itself. So now let us look on the in cash out cash of using the app itself. Loading up your account or making a withdrawal, Links has you covered. Links users can send and receive money to each other in real time. Got an NCB account? Enjoy simple cash in and cash out using your existing bank account. Don't have an NCB account? Use Links with any bank, and that's the good part of it. So you don't have to really have an NCB account in order to use this service. Even though it's a NCB driven service, you can use any bank in order to use this service. So add cash from your debit or credit card and cash out to any accounts you have, and that's another good thing as well. So if you have cash on the app and you want to withdraw it to your local bank, you can also do it even if the bank is not an NCB bank. Link is free to download, there is no transfer fees, and you don't need Wi-Fi or data to use it. And that's another good thing as well. So you don't require any data service in order to use the app. So that is very good, as you can use this without any internet connection or any data service wherever you are in Jamaica. With over 10,000 Jamaicans have already signed up for the new payment service and into the new digital market wallet, its official rollout in the local fintech market is a good look already. Inspired by leading global solutions such as Cash App, Zelle, Links is an app for sending and receiving money between users. Links also facilitate the transfer of funds to your local bank account. Moreover, through cutting-edge technology, encryption, multi-factors authentication, and the latest fraud prevention technology, the app ensures that customers' data and money are safe. Links will ultimately allow people who don't have a bank account and the unbank and bank in order to set up an account. It will also eventually become available to Jamaicans in the diaspora of the wider world. Lynx is also positioned itself to be among the first digital wallet to transfer the central bank digital currency, and this is once the BOJ has signed off on the testing process of it and it's officially launched as well. So this has been Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and this is just our report on the Links app. Hope that those users who have used it before, you can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about it and how has the experience been for you using this new payment service. Thanks for watching.